What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you something that you have probably seen done time and time again on YouTube, on Pinterest, or wherever it is that you go to follow the trends that are going on. And this probably isn't even a trend anymore, but as you guys know, I march to the beat of my own drum, so I don't follow what all the trends are, I guess you can say. Even if they're outdated, I probably still do them, whatever. So anyway, the reason why I wanted to share this video with you is because if you're a little bit corny like me and you like to wear, outfits for whatever holiday it is, like Halloween, you want Halloween gear, Christmas, you wear the Christmas gear, so on and so forth. Well, a lot of times you're thinking, man, I wish I had a pair of shoes that were just as corny as my outfit. Well, I'm going to show you today a very simple thing that you can do to transform your shoes so that they are for the holiday that you're dressing for, but it's not a permanent fix. It's a temporary fix, so that you can just take everything off and just make the shoes back to the way that they were. Now, like I said in previously, you've seen this done before, but as always, I wanted to share my take on this, and I hope that you find this helpful or useful in some way. So without further ado, let's get into what we did. Here we go. Let's get into what I did. I don't know why I keep saying we. I guess I feel like you guys are here with me. Let's get into what I did. Okay guys, materials are in the description box below. We're just going to start with a shoe of your choice. Then we're going to grab the sock and we're going to work it around the shoe. Now this won't be so difficult for you if you have a normal shoe without a 3-inch platform like mine has. So it won't take so much to work the sock on, but if you have a bigger shoe like this, then you're just going to have to work it a little bit more than you would if you had, like, I guess you can say, a normal kind of shoe. So you're literally just going to work the sock into place around the shoe. Now once I get it worked around this top part here, when I get to the heel, because my heel is a 6-inch heel, I just, pull it over, up and over, up and over, up and over, and that's just how I have to work it around the heel. But if you had a smaller heel, then you wouldn't have to do so many motions like I am, but it's still an easy thing and a really easy way to be able to transform your shoes. So once you get to the very bottom, see how it's all, I'm going to show you how it's a little, bunched up at the top. Leave it like that. Cut right below where the heel is, then just flip it over and see how that was bunched up. Now you're going to work that back down so you can push the sock all the way up. And then this part of it is pretty much done. I'm just working it into place so that it's a little bit more smooth. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this part. So then the next thing you're going to want to do is add some traction to the bottom of the shoe. Well, the sock. So I'm just going to use some hot glue. It works perfect because you're only going to wear this like once or twice, and the hot glue holds up just fine on the bottom of a sock. Now, if you were doing this on the sole of a shoe, this wouldn't work, but because it's a sock, it holds up just fine. Let it dry. Good to go. Easy, right? So there you go, guys. That is probably one of the quickest tutorials I've ever shown because it's so easy. I mean, literally anybody can do this, but I just wanted to make sure that I had put this out there for you guys as an idea if you wanted to have a corny pair of shoes for the Halloween holiday or whatever holiday it is that you're dressing for. And I also wanted to make sure that I included that you need to put some type of traction on the bottom of the sock. I love how I saw all these tutorials and people just put the sock on the shoe and they're like, that's it, you're done. No, you're not done unless you want to fall all over the place. I cannot stress enough how important it is to make sure that you have traction on your shoes. Always, 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 even if it's a temporary thing. So like I use the hot glue, you could also use grippers or something to that effect. Just give yourself some type of traction on the bottom of that shoe so you don't fall. Super important, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all of those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you next time. Bye! Thumbnail picture if you clicked on that. Anyway, wherever you've seen it done. But as usual, as always, I should say, of course, turning your shoes into, no. Oh, what's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. That was terrible. You can buy some Halloween or Christmas socks or whatever it is, you know, whatever holiday it is that you're dressing for. We need to do that again. Black Soul things that I've shown you in previous videos that I buy. And it probably doesn't look good for me to scratch my neck.